all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today it's going to be a beautiful cotton series. We are going to see Rasipuram Powerloom sarees. Last time we saw handloom sarees. This is going to be power weave. So you will get very pretty designs and slightly more grander grander view of the saree. You will have rich pallu, something like that. So it will be very different. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number. And about the maintenance of the saree, I'll tell you, you don't need to starch these sarees. It's slightly more a thicker variety, so you don't need to starch it. If you need mild stiffness, you can just do a starch. Otherwise, generally for this variety, you don't need starches. It's a very nice variety. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a beautiful cotton saree. This is again a Rasipuram cotton saree, but these are all power weave. Very pretty designs. You will have really nice soft material and a very pretty design which is being weaved in the saree. A lovely pattern. Both the sides we have a contrast border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful chakra weaving which is being done along the saree. And this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, a nice rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is plain running blouse, and the price of the saree is 1040. We have some nice different designs in this pattern. I will show you each and every one by one. That was a pink. The next is a purplish pink. See, this is the body of the saree, a nice design. I think you can have a beautiful look of the saree. This is the body of the saree, and the border you have a very different design, a mustard and a green border running along, and throughout the body we have thread weave buttas. And this is the pallu of the saree, nice rich pallu, and the blouse is again a running blouse. All these buttas are separately weaved, so it will not some people think that it will come out and all. That will not be there in these patterns. It's all separately weaved, and the price of the saree is 1040. The next is a nice fawn color with maroon combination, a light maroon. This is the contrast is in maroon, and the body of the saree is this, a lovely combination, lovely pattern, a very pretty design. And the pallu of the saree is this, a lovely pallu, and the blouse is again a running blouse. I'll show you the full view. This is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1040. The next is a nice shade off-white with a fawn color contrast border, a nice pattern. And the body you have beautiful black color weaved buttas which has been running along the saree, a very pretty pattern, lovely design. And this is the pallu of the saree, a lovely jacquard blouse, a nice one. Sorry, jacquard pallu, and the blouse is again a plain running blouse. This is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1040. The next is a nice navy blue color combination, navy blue with mustard combination, very pretty combo. This is the body of the saree, navy blue with mustard combo, and throughout the body you have weaving in mustard, a leaf pattern buttas which has been running along the saree. And this is the pallu of the saree. All these sarees you have nice rich pallus, so it looks very grand. And for this summer, for any functions, you can wear this saree, cotton saree, and go. It will be nice. And the blouse is a running blouse. All the sarees are priced at 1040. This is again a peachish pink, a pink and a peach orange, that kind of a double shade mix, a very nice design. And the border is in double color, green and a pink one, a very pretty design. And the butta has been in double color weaving, black and pink, a lovely butta, beautiful design. This is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, nice pallu, and the blouse is again a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 1040. The next is a parrot green with a pink combo. These patterns are very pretty and nice, and all the sarees will look so nice and rich. This is the body of the saree, a lovely design. Beautiful pattern. And this is the pallu of the sari. I'll show you the full view. This is the body and the pallu. A nice pattern. And the price of the sari is 1040. The next is going to be a nice lime green with pink combination. Slightly a bright combination, but a very pretty combination. This is the body of the sari. Very pretty combos. And this is the pallu of the sari. And the blouse is again a running blouse. This is the pattern. Lovely design. Look really nice when you wear it. The next is going to be a purple. A very nice different combination. A purple, and the border is in mustard and green color. A different pattern and a different color. Very subtle color. Some people like really subtle colors. For those people, this color will be very nice. This is the body of the sari. Very pretty one. And this is the pallu. Next is again a peachish pink with a pink color border. And this is the body of the sari. Lovely body. And this is the pallu of the sari. All the saris, the pallus are rich, grand pallus. This is the body of the sari. The next is very different combination. A mandular color, like no, it's a brown and a green mix. That's called mandular color. In that, a beautiful pink color border. And the butta has been done in fawn color. This is the body of the sari. And I'll show you the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. A nice rich pallu. And the price of the sari is 1040. The next is a black with pink combo. Very nice pretty design. This is the body of the sari. A lovely design. And this is the pallu of the sari. A rich pallu, and the price of the sari is 1040. And the last color is a nice mehendi green with pink combo. Lovely design. A peachish pink border. Nice combo. This is the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari is this. And the price of the sari is 1040. This is again a nice handloom, powerloom cotton. This is all Rasipuram handloom cotton, powerloom cotton saris. Very nice material. Very fine quality. These saris are all 100 counts. Very nice saris. Both the sides we have a contrast green color border, which is completely thread weaved. And throughout the body we have buttas, which has been running along the sari. And the pallu of the sari is this. And the blouse is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. And the price of the sari is 1080. We have another combination in this pattern. I'll show you the next one. It's the vice versa. It's a green with a mustard. A very pretty combination. A lovely design. This is the body of the sari. A beautiful color combination. Lovely design. A beautiful pattern. And the pallu of the sari is a line pallu with butta. Very pretty design. This is the body of the sari. And the price of the sari is 1080. The next combination is off-white. It's slightly more of a white shade. A very pretty border. A lovely thread weave border, like no, a small floral pattern design. A lovely pattern. A nice design. This is the body of the sari. And this is the pallu of the sari. A line pallu, and we have a running blouse for the sari. And the price of the sari is 1080. We have few other designs in these patterns. I'll show you that. And this is a nice pink with beige combination. The body of the sari is this. We have small buttas which has been running along the body. A very nice design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu. And this is the body again. I'm showing the full view of the sari. And we have a running blouse for the sari, and the price of the sari is 1080. This is a very cute small border pattern. A very cute temple border design in the front. Very pretty design. A nice green combination with beige color border. A contrast border. This is the body of the sari and a lovely talambu design body. Very pretty buttas. And this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu. And this is the body of the sari. And I'll tell you the price of the sari. 1 second. And the price of the sari is 1180. This is also 1180. A pink with Annapakshi design on the body. A nice pattern. This is the body of the sari with Annapakshi design on the body, and both the sides I'll show you. This is the body of the sari, a nice design, a pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari, a lovely pallu. And the blouse of the sari is a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 1180. And there's one more beautiful design, a light maroon, and we have contrast borders, beige color borders, and this is the body of the sari, a light maroon color, and very pretty design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a cute buttas which has been running in the pallu, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse. And the price of this sari is again 1180. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the collection. Very pretty saris and very ideal for the summer. Nice rich cottons which you can wear for any functions in the summer. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.